Hey guys, happy Monday. Today I'm going to give everyone a quick little walkthrough of the new Instagram Reels feature. A lot of people are very excited and a lot of people have no idea what it is or how to use it. So I'm going to give you a quick screen grab walkthrough in the next few slides. Hey guys, so this is the very quick walkthrough of the new Instagram Reels feature. So you're going to want to tap and pretend that you're making an Instagram story because they're going to be located in the same section. And so on the bottom, you're going to see that there is a section for Reels. Things do look a little bit different in the story feature as well. The whole Instagram stories interface has been changed a bit. Yours might look a little bit different. It does depend on which version of Instagram you're on, which type of phone you have. There are a couple different things, but this is overall, it's going to work the same. So if you're still in the stories feature, this arrow right here is going to open up your menus tab so you can make your boomerangs, your hands-free, your different things like that. This is just how you create your regular story. Fine. So you're going to slide over to the Reels feature. You get this preliminary get started introduction screen. Click get started. And you're going to see on the left-hand side, you have a tab for your music. You have a tab for the speed of the video. So you can make it, 0.3 times half as fast, normal speed, 2 times as fast, 3 times as fast. You get the point. This is where you're going to find your effects, your filters, stuff like that. And on the bottom is your timer. So this is basically going to be how long you want each clip to be. If you decide you want each clip to be 3 seconds, 5 seconds, it really doesn't matter. It's totally up to you. Cool. So in order to shoot, all you need to do is hold down the little thing and it's going to shoot right for you. So since we put the timer on for 5 seconds, this is going to stop at 5 seconds. If we take the timer, If we take the timer off, we can just hold it down and however long we want to hold it for, it will do. This button here that I accidentally just touched is the align button. This comes up after you already record. Still trying to figure out exactly what this does or how to use it, but that's the fun of technology. Every day is learning something new, right? So take that off. In order to publish, I'm going to click the little right arrow. So you see you could add your text, you can do any of those normal things you would typically do with an Instagram story at that point. And this is how we're going to publish it. So we'll just put in a little caption, test. If you do want to change the cover, just click on the cover image section spot. You get what I'm doing and pick whatever cover you want, done. So you can share it to your newsfeed as long as this is engaged. You can take it off if you just want to share it to Reels. Or you could swipe over and share it to your story. Regular Instagram story, you guys get the point. So in order to publish, just hit the share button. You will see it will be uploaded onto your page and it's very quick, very easy, can be very useful, can be great for advertising, great for engaging with your audience, all that fun stuff. So if you guys have any questions, you know where to find me. Have a wonderful Monday, have a great week, and we'll talk to you later. Bye. On for 5 seconds, we could just hold it down.